everyone, XX Born and Bred here, and today there's been an update to iMovie. That update did not come out today though, it came out towards the beginning of this week. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the new update and all its new functionalities, which I have been immediately using in my videos. Let's do this. Okay, so the first thing you will all notice is that I am on the front screen where all my projects are. Let's start a new project to test things out. You'll see all my images now. I'm just going to use my thumbnail from my last video as the opening scene, right? So now that we got that, let's add in another video on top of it. Let's say we wanted to add in my intro. Let's download that from the cloud real quick. Let's just wait for that to download. This is going to take a while. I should have had this prepared earlier. Oh my goodness, it's finally downloaded. Yes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on the three dots button once you've selected the video you want to use. In this case, it's my new intro, which you would have just seen at the start of this video if it worked. So yep, let's go in with a green screen / blue screen. Now if we just simply... What I like to do is I like to add in a random black screen as a kind of placeholder. What we're going to do is we're going to go in here, turn up the strength, so that like none of those rings around the outside show up. Turn up the strength of it. You'll see my intro is starting to do its thing. See, when it ends, it'll just be the black screen because green screen, right? What we're going to want to do, though, is reduce the length of the thing, the black screen, I mean, so that it doesn't encroach on the ending of the intro. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my NBL special logos, and I'm going to add in the 40th anniversary Illawarra Hawks logo, because why the hell not, right? You'll see that once it ends, it immediately goes straight to the Illawarra Hawks logo. Alright? How good is that? If we view that all together, you'll see the awesome use of the green screen effect in action. See? And that black screen, which I found on the internet, is usable as a placeholder. You'll see that the video just continues. To show off some of the newer features, including the new split screen functionality, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in this picture of Anthony Davis and LeBron James, once again, that I found on the internet. Going to add it in as a picture-in-picture. Okay, well, it needs to be moved away from the end. So we're going to add it as a picture-in-picture here, alright? We're going to simply extend the length of that. Now what we can do with this is we can remove the border, and we can move this around the screen. We can even increase the size of it as much as we like. We can change its position. We could add the border. We could move it over here. Come on, press move. We could move it over here. Unfortunately, you can't rotate the picture-in-picture, but I would really like for that to be a feature. Thank you very much. It goes into the corner. That is really cool. Gosh, it's making it seem almost like LeBron James and Anthony Davis are joining the Illawarra Hawks. That ain't gonna happen. A lot of my viewers probably haven't even heard of the Illawarra Hawks. What I wish is that you could change the border, and I wish that you could rotate it. That's my only wish for this picture-in-picture functionality. Now, if we continue on, I'm going to use an image from my setup screen of my Chromecast that just so happened to spell out the word letter, spelled L-E-T-A, but only L3-T4, letter. So once I've got that sorted out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in another image. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add this in, but only this time, make it split screen, alright? You'll now see that this is split screen. So what this is going to do is I can remove the border, I can rotate them around, change which one is where, alright? change it to be like that. Now let's watch the whole thing, making use of all the effects. These effects are just the beginning of the new update too. There's a lot more to get through, so bear with me. See, you'll see that all these new effects are improving my videos a lot. The new functionality. These effects were already available, all besides the green screen, blue screen feature. Now, this is where it gets interesting. You can now add in more soundtracks. There are more soundtracks available. Let's add in this one, alright? And you'll see there are now soundtracks available. Bring it into the foreground and let's add it in after my intro so that it's not like encroaching on that. There we go. Now we'll play it. There are many more new, what do they call them, soundtracks. You'll be able to add those into your videos. I'd imagine they're copyright free. Yep, so that's that, everyone. I don't even know if I've used all the new features. Have I? I believe I have used all the new features. Yeah, I believe that's that for now, guys. Let me actually just make sure that there's no features that I've missed. You can add in the audio sample only of a video. So like, say you want to only put in the audio of a video you've recorded. You can click audio only, even though there's no audio on that screen recording. Yep, so that's that, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you did enjoy, and I'll catch you all next time. Goodbye.